just one judge disagreeing with the majority verdict.
No, that apart. You see, out of 5 learned judges, if there is a majority judgment, it's an overwhelming majority, 4-1. And it is not even 3-2. And it's 4-1 means that we bow down to what the Honorable Supreme Court has finally concluded on this delicate issue. Now, the whole background, the spirit behind this amendment is to extend a helping hand to economically weaker section, which must be lauded, which must be appreciated. Because, you see, we have been watching that caste, community, religion, region, etc., reservations have been coming forth, and then arguments and counter-arguments are being advanced. And then, of course, there is a basic structural position which the Constitution has stated that reservations in totality cannot deny the general public to the extent that it would be more than 50%, etc. A number of complicated issues have arisen in the past. But as far as this current amendment which has been upheld is concerned, it extends help to economically weaker section of society. And I think this has to be appreciated. The Honorable Supreme Court has very rightly upheld the decision by the amendment, constitutional amendment, to extend help to the economically weaker section. And I think we should welcome this.
Right, Mr. Memon, also the validity of this quota was in fact challenged by several petitioners saying that it is fraud on constitution and it will end the equality of opportunity. Now, of course, economic criteria can also be a yardstick to provide reservation is something that the court has said, that the court has in fact re-emphasized today. However, when we look at the, arguments that were made by the petitioners, time and again, they had said that this will end the equality of opportunity, something that is obviously, four-judge bench has superseded that, in fact said that this is also a yardstick to provide a reservation. It's not just caste, it's not just religion, but economic criteria should also be a yardstick to provide reservation.
No, basically, we must understand that youth of this country, which is the future of this country. Now, if certain bright youth are deprived of getting accommodation either by way of admission or anything else like that, but only because they cannot afford to buy that particular seat or to get that position. Now, therefore, if there is a reservation extended to them, that they can be lifted on the merits. I think this is an idea which should be lauded by everyone, because if the bright student should not be prevented or deprived of the prospects of receiving education or receiving important jobs, etc., only because he belongs to a poor, he or she belongs to a poor section of society. So extension of some help to economically weaker section of society, I think, is a step towards equality among the society, people in the society.
And also the question is, what will be the implications of it? Of course, this is going to help the weaker section of the society, no doubt about it. However, the petitioners especially had pointed that this could also be something that could be misused, because this is on the basis of property, on the basis of income levels, and so on, that this quota is provided. But will it lead to a misuse? Will it lead to some sort of, misuse by certain sections of the society is a contention by many of the petitioners as well.
So remember one thing, the laws are required to be modified, amended, repealed, etc. according to the need of the society. And the need of society keeps on changing with the passage of time. It's not a stagnant society. It's a progressive society. What is good today may be better tomorrow or worse tomorrow. And therefore, now this kind of a law, which has today come into force by the Supreme Court's verdict, will have to be examined, tested on the ground. As you are apprehensive that if it is misused, then those instances of misuse would be highlighted and the courts can be approached once again to plug those loopholes and then ensure that there is no misuse of this benefit given to the economically backward class, and then we can take corrective measures.
Right. Thank you, Mr. Memon, for joining us with all your inputs and sharing your thoughts on this very important verdict. The Supreme Court upholding the validity of EWS quota, saying it does not violate basic structure of the Constitution.